Hey, this is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City Saves Money. I love to help people keep their money. This is actually a follow-up video to the easy Manicotti or Manicotti recipe that I found and discovered on the back of a Hunt's tomato sauce can, the traditional one. You know, people never really take full advantage of the recipes that are hiding on backs of cans, boxes, you name it. It's just an incredible thing. So the other day, as you know, I did a video showing you the can and everything, but it's hard for me to visually read it and record it this way. As an audio file, I could easily hold the can in my hand and put it up closer to me for me to read. Otherwise, the other way would be practically impossible for me. As you know, I do wear my trusty glasses for reading. Okay, so I'm going to take my time to read this. You may want to grab a pen or a pencil or whatever and write this down. Hope that everybody's doing well this afternoon on this upload. I really appreciate every single one of you. And don't forget, if you find value in this or any other of my videos, don't forget to smash down the like button because it helps the algorithm raise my video a little bit higher so that more people can visibly see it. So that way we could help more people. Just that one act of slamming down the like button could be helpful to so many people. I thank you so very much. And of course, to myself, thank you so much. All right, so for the easy manicotti recipe, and it says here hands on 20 minutes total, but the total time is 1 hour and 45 minutes. And this makes 7 servings. Okay, so we're going to start off with 1 container of ricotta cheese, which is a 15-ounce container. 1 package, 10 ounces of frozen chopped spinach, thawed and squeezed dry. Before I go on, you know, a lot of people don't take full advantage of that frozen chopped spinach. There's really a lot of bang for your buck on that. Just saying, just saying. 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese divided. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. So far, all the ingredients seem nice and simple. 2 teaspoons of Italian dressing. Excuse me, scratch that. 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, not dressing. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 package, 8 ounces of dry manicotti shells, uncooked. 1 can of 24-ounce Hunt's traditional pasta sauce divided. And Pam Original No Stick cooking spray. Of course, you can use other cooking spray if that's what you have. 1 cup of water. Next, you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You're going to stir together the ricotta cheese, the spinach, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, and pepper. You're going to fill each uncooked shell with 3 tablespoons of the cheese mixture. Next, you're going to pour half of the sauce in the bottom of the sprayed 13 by 9-inch baking dish. You're going to arrange the filled shells in single layer over sauce. You're going to pour remaining sauce over the top. Then you're going to pour water into corners of the dish. You're going to sprinkle remaining mozzarella cheese over the sauce. You're going to cover tightly with foil sprayed with cooking spray. Then You're going to bake this off for 1 hour and 15 minutes or until the pasta is tender. You're going to let it stand covered 10 minutes before serving. Yum! This has no choice other than to be really delicious. And in my opinion, pretty darn healthy. Let's think about this for a second. You have the dried, your frozen, thawed, and squeezed dried spinach, which is already healthy. You know what I learned about that spinach? I don't want to forget to mention this to you. I learned this many, many years ago on one of those cooking type shows on those networks, that one package, just one typical, little brick package of frozen spinach, if that was dried fresh spinach, you would be handling 4 pounds of spinach. Talk about a bargain. Hey, listen, especially these days. I mean, I'm not going to look a gift bargain in the mouth. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot of bang for your food buck. Just saying, just saying. And basically, if you think about it, this is really all a matter of assembling. Let's think about it. Because you're putting together ingredients that already are, that don't really require much attention. The spinach is already itself. The ricotta cheese is already itself. You're adding in already shredded mozzarella cheese. So you don't even have to, unless you choose to, get the one that you shred yourself. You could use the shredded mozzarella cheese already done up. Also, Parmesan cheese. It says a 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Who's to stop you from using the already prepared Parmesan cheese? You know, the one you get in the can or the one you get into that plastic container. These are all items. Everything I'm looking at is already like done for. So basically, all you're doing is assembling. Now, what I like about a dish like this, it makes everything feel more special. Okay. And you don't even need meat. This is a meatless dish. So anybody's like, doesn't have the desire for meat or wants to save money on expensive meat, this is a great option. What I love about this, let's think for a minute. I would imagine a person could assemble all of this in the morning, for example. Just assemble it, put it in its baking tray to 13 by 9, assemble it in the morning, and then when you want your dinner, you subtract, let's see, it takes an hour and 45 minutes in total, and you're baking this off for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So from oven to table, subtract about an hour and a half before you are dying to eat your dinner. I love this. This is an easy to do on a Sunday morning, or if you're going to get company or whatever. This is a great make ahead. Just pop it in the oven. And if you have your salad already done with some crusty bread, you are good to go. Nothing like an easy meal. You see what you could find on the back of a can? This is really, really good. Well, I hope that this recipe helps someone out today. I really do appreciate your being here. Thank you so much for your time. And don't forget to slam down on the like button if you found any value in this video. I really appreciate that. And don't hesitate to share this video as well. Have an amazing, fantastic day. Take good care. Bye-bye.